beautiful. It's beautiful. So we have these gourds, 50 cents each. And look, it's time for mini pumpkins. Hello. Aren't they cute? Here we have squash, $2 each. Green squash, I like this. More squash. And I absolutely like these squashes. They mostly go for decorations, for the garden. They have nice colors, so we'll be shopping. Fresh flowers. We're ready to check out. So it's 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I really like this place. I'll tell you what I like about this place, because this is the place that trusts people. We have to trust each other. So here is $11. Thank you very much. Good place, good people, good living. Thank you. We're on the way home after our flower shopping, and I said to my wife, we have to stop. Look at this. The first sign of fall, color change, September 4th. On the way home, we stop here, we stop there. There's another place where we stopped. Here's the thought. Try to imagine the world, our planet without flowers. It wouldn't last long. A planet without flowers. Everything has flowers that grows. If we want apples, we have to have flowers. Oranges, lemons, we have to have flowers. Even potatoes, potato bushes have flowers. So we are living in the flowery world. Beautiful. It's so peaceful here. Even stopping here for a minute does something to my soul.